Hello everyone, my name is Marcus. I'm 8 years old, and I'm a rainbow chef. So glad you're here with me to learn easy, healthy recipes together. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a great Italian dessert called 𝐸𝐸𝐸 cannoli. But before I do, please hit the like and subscribe button to get notified of our new videos and become a rainbow chef. To start, let's wash our hands for 30 seconds to make all the germs disappear, and we are ready to cook. Now, let's assemble our mise en place, which means everything in its place. Let's prepare all the ingredients we need to make this delicious recipe. Our ingredients are 1½ cups of whole milk ricotta cheese, 1 teaspoon of orange zest, 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, 4 sugar cones, ½ cup of mini chocolate chips, ½ cup of agave, which is our healthy sugar substitute. You can also use honey if you like that better. This recipe is for 4 servings, so you and your family can enjoy together. And now, it's time to bring out our Rainbow Chef's backpack to see what tools we will need. First, we will need a mixing bowl, a whisk, measuring cups, measuring spoons, and a rubber spatula, and a spoon for scooping the ricotta mixtures into our sugar cone. Let's get started. In a medium bowl, combine the ricotta, orange zest, lemon zest, and agave using a whisk. Taste it with your finger once to make sure it is to your liking, and then transfer the mixture into the cone using a spoon to fill the cone. Continue using your spoon to fill your cone, cannoli, filling them all the way until the mixture just bulges out of the cone. Arrange the mini chocolate chips in a small, shallow plate or bowl, and then dip the front of the cone filled with your mixture at the top to get the chocolate chips to stick to your cannoli. Then enjoy your cannoli and share with your family and your siblings. Delicious, fast and easy. Thanks for watching Rainbow Chef's Academy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I look forward to cooking with all of you soon again.